Greetings, I'm Dev the Developer. This lesson is about integrating tables into a page in meaningful ways. We will cover the caption element, wrapping tables in figure, using details and summary with tables, and a brief note on why you should not use tables for page layouts. Caption is a table-specific element for adding a title to your table. It goes immediately after the opening table tag before the table header. It is visible on the page and is associated with the table semantically. The difference between caption and figcaption is scope. Caption is part of the table element itself. Figcaption belongs to a figure container. You can use either or both if needed. We have used figure for images and code blocks. It works for tables too. Wrapping a table in figure with a figcaption is useful when the table is self-contained referenced content, something like a data summary that is cited in the main body of an article. The last integration pattern solves a different problem. Sometimes a table has a lot of data that not every user needs to see immediately. Details and summary tags create a disclosure widget. The content is hidden by default and the user clicks to expand it. Summary is the always visible clickable label. Everything else inside details is hidden until expanded. Details requires no JavaScript. It is native HTML. You can open it by default with the open attribute on details if you want the content to be visible initially. One more thing before we wrap up. This is one about what tables are not for. Before CSS, tables were the primary tool for laying out web pages. Sidebars, multi-column designs, navigation bars, all were done with tables. That era is over. Using tables for layout today creates pages that are semantically wrong, nearly impossible to make responsive, and difficult for screen readers to interpret. CSS has Flexbox and Grid, which are purpose-built for layout and handle every use case that table-based layouts once required. Tables are for data. Use them for that, and reach for CSS when you need layouts. So, caption for visible table titles, figure for writing a table when the table is self-contained reference content, detail and summary for collapsible tables, and tables for data, never for layout. Those are the integration patterns worth knowing. Pick one of them, build a table that uses it, and see how much cleaner the result is than a bare table dropped on a page. Don't just watch it, do it.